Hello all, today we will discuss about cholelithiasis or gallstones. Types of gallstones. Cholesterol stones, mixed stones, pigment stones. Mixed stones contains cholesterol, calcium, salts of phosphate, carbonate, palmitate, proteins. Pigment stones, they are small, multiple, black or greenish black. It's commonly seen in fatty, fertile, 40, flatulent female. You can remember it as 5F. Pathogenesis. Metabolic cause. Cholesterol is synthesized in liver. Altered levels of cholesterol, lecithin and bile salts in bile reduces the miscellaneous concentration in the bile, leading to precipitation of insoluble cholesterol. Factors altering the cholesterol to bile salt ratio: obesity, drugs like oral contraceptive pills, clofebrate, cholestyramine, ileal disease, ileal resection, altered enterohepatic circulation. Second cause, infections and infestations. Bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella can cause cholelithiasis. Parasites like Clonorchis sinensis and Ascaris lumbricoides can cause cholelithiasis. Third cause, bile stasis. The conditions predisposing pregnancy, vagotomy, estrogen therapy, patients who are on long-term IV fluids or total parenteral nutrition. Fourth cause, increased bilirubin production due to any of the causes of hemolysis as in hereditary spherocytosis, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, malaria, cirrhosis. Here pigment stones are common. Next, science triad. It includes gallstones, diverticulosis of the colon, hiatus hernia that you can remember as Saint Sadhguru. Effects of the gallstones. Effect in the gallbladder can be either silent asymptomatic stones or can cause severe biliary colic. They are spasmodic pain in right upper quadrant and epigastrium radiating to chest, upper back and shoulder. It comes with periodicity and severe within hours after meal. Often precipitated by a fatty or heavy meal, may have associated fever and leukocytosis. Then other effects in the gallbladder can cause acute cholecystitis, chronic cholecystitis, empyema gallbladder, perforation causing biliary peritonitis or pericholecystic abscess, mucocele of gallbladder, carcinoma gallbladder. Then effect of gallstones in the common bile duct. Secondary CBD stones, cholangitis, pancreatitis, Mirisi syndrome. Then what is Mirisi syndrome? Gallstone impacts in the gallbladder wall, compresses it, causing pressure necrosis which further gets adherent to common bile duct wall. That leads to cholecystocholedochal fistula. There are four types. Type 1 only causes compression of CBD without lumen narrowing. Type 2 compression causing CBD lumen narrowing. Type 3 compression causing CBD wall necrosis. Type 4 cholecystocholedochal fistula. Then effect of gallstones in the intestine can cause cholecystocholedochal fistula, cholecystoduodenal fistula, causing gallstone ileus, and so intestinal obstruction can occur. Then flatulent dyspepsia can occur with discomfort in the abdomen, bulging, heartburn, fat intolerance, sensation of fullness in the abdomen. Next, silent gallstone, asymptomatic stone in the gallbladder. Usually it is cholesterol stone, often single and may be accidentally discovered by USG. Need to be treated if patient is diabetic or immunosuppressed, stone more than 2.5 cm or multiple stones are there, if gallbladder wall is thickened, if there is high risk for carcinoma gallbladder. Investigations in cholelithiasis. USG abdomen. So this picture shows cholelithiasis, stones in gallbladder seen in USG. Then plain X-ray abdomen. So here we can see cholelithiasis seen in plain X-ray abdomen. Then LFT, look for leukocytosis, total WBC count. Differential diagnosis of radiopaque shadow in X-ray, kidney stone, gallstone, calcified 12th rib tip, phlebolith, pancreatic stone, radio-opaque foreign body, fecalith, calcified lymph node, calcified renal tuberculosis, renal cell carcinoma calcifications, adrenal tumor calcification, calcifications of atheroma in aorta, calcified lesion in liver like amoebic liver abscess or calcified hydatid cyst. Next, management of gallstones, either laparoscopic cholecystectomy or open cholecystectomy. The incision in open cholecystectomy is right subcostal incision, that is called Cocker's incision. Thank you.